divuswa ngenjixukuxa ngalabamenemene we-ANC. They're plotting against one another. They're sending me this video, I'm sure you've seen it by now, of this leader that is it Alfred or is it OR? Where is it? But there's something about conference. Look, they're plotting against one another. I'm not going to give this nonsensical video. I'm not going to give it airtime here on my platform. What I'm going to say is that leaders, nina mamenemene, ibona nina, not tina, nina mamenemene we-ANC. Ningazibiza uthina abantu, ningazibiza uthina amasebe. You're not realizing. Yes, you're plotting against one another, but you are putting a nail in the coffin of the ANC. You're not seeing it. Just to win the provincial conference. You are exposing one another. You are plotting. Niyayigqiba i-ANC. Niyayigqiba i-ANC. And I'm not going to speak for anyone here because akho mntu right kule nto. Amamenemene ke lawam azimpimpi ahlale endixelela into ze-ANC andivusa nango-2 acinga fancy uba I'm for them. I'm not for the ANC. I'm not for thina masebe, thina bantu, thina ntoni. I'm not for anyone. I'm for the truth. I'm for the masses. I'm for the people that are voting. You have just exposed yourselves yet again that niyimidlwembe yamamenemene yamaxeleko amaxaxavithi angaxabisanga mbutho that are not principled. Mna ke madoda igrant yam yaphela ngo-2006. The last thing that I received from the ANC. So andicela ngandola laphi. The truth here is that you are sabotaging yourselves. You're sabotaging this revolutionary. This is a home. I-ANC likhaya lethu. I-ANC ngumbutho wokhokho. But nina niyayingcwaba with your selfishness. These are not things that are supposed to go to the public. Just to plot against Nifuno remover, Usabisa or whoever. You're just plotting against one another. I'm tired. Kemna madoda ndandithe kuni my fee is only 100,000 and andizungabaxelela abantu xa undibhatele. I'm only charging 100,000 those that want me to push ezinto zabo zimdaka. But I'm not saying I won't tell the masses what you're up to. I'm trying to put it to you. Iyandiphazamisa le computer. I'm trying to put it to you, ladies and gentlemen, that you are not just sabotaging yourselves, but you are bearing this revolution, the ANC. Siya ku-2026 ngoku. If there was still the ANC, uba beyisekhona ANC, uba isekhona because ngoku sisibhukubhuku sisidumbe sifileyo esingcwatywayo ngoku. Uba besekhona ANC, it would take the one that recorded lo uveleleyo evidweni. Bekufanele uba uyaxela uba ngubani lo hamba naye, ngobani abasemotweni, ngubani lo berekhod. Abathathi babeka nalowa ufowunayo imthathi imbeka. And they must be dealt with, especially this one that is peddling obumenemene. Andizumbiza ke akakho omnye undithumelele yena bandithumelela nabanye. I am not loyal to the ANC, especially not to amamenemene. I'm loyal to South Africans. So ladies and gentlemen, you are bearing the ANC, I repeat, nengcwaba i-ANC, and there will be nothing left as sisiya kula 2027 of the ANC. Please stop it. Stop it. I stop it. Qake soze nindive. Dzaniyeka. Nazibona pha ku-2020 ananewari. Nazona stress anilali ngityewa ANC. Nazibona pha ku-2026